Some places, the coming of age is noted as being 18, and others 14, as young as 14. What does Islam specify as being the coming of age?
As far as the rules of the different countries are concerned, in India, the age of adulthood or maturity is 18, Indonesia it is 19, in UK it is 16 years of age. Every country, the age of maturity, what the government or the people of the country or the law, it is different, depending upon their own understanding. But in Islam, fasting becomes compulsory, salah becomes compulsory, the acts of worship become compulsory once a person reaches the age of puberty. And there are basically three criteria. If any one of these three criteria are fulfilled, then the person is said to have reached the age of puberty. Number one is that growth of coarse pubic hair around the private parts. Number two, the person reaches the age of 15. Or there is emission of semen in a wet dream or otherwise. Or if it's a female, then she starts her menstrual cycles. The day the girl starts her menstrual cycle, she is supposed to have reached the age of puberty, irrespective, she may be below the age of 10. But the moment she reaches, the day she starts her menstrual cycle, she is considered to be a person who has reached the age of puberty.
That's interesting as well, because you mentioned that it could be as young as 10 that a girl would reach puberty, and often said in the West.
And even now, it's quite common. Now, recently an article came a couple of months back that in Delhi, it is not uncommon for a girl of the age of 10 to start her menstrual cycles. Only if it is before the age of 9, there is a point to be worried about. Same in the Western world. Previously, it wasn't there when I did my medical college. The age was said that in the Western world about 12 to 13. India, it was 13 to 14. But now, because of the change in diet and the change of climate, etc., all this has an effect on the age of puberty. But now, it's quite common that girls of the age of 10, even before 10, at the age of 9, many of them, they start the menstrual period.